Hey guys, so today we thought we'll journal, the process that we perform to create our compost tea, or compost
Juice.
juice, sorry, compost juice. So what you see here is about a day's worth of kitchen scrap, mostly, orange peels, banana peels, some eggshells, some used up tea leaves, coffee grinds, and onion peels, etc. Right. So what we do is we take them, we collect them, and when we think that there is enough amount of stuff, we put them into this blender. Add some water. Some people use just rainwater for this. That's most recommended. But if you don't have rainwater, we just use some tap water or filtered water, whatever. So we put all the stuff into the blender. Make sure that enough water so that the blender doesn't burn out or anything. So add enough stuff, and then you just juice it out, right? You just create a homogeneous mixture of all this stuff. And what we do after that is we take this to the garden bed. We identify a spot on the garden bed, and then make a hole or dig a small pit and put some of this compost juice in there, mostly to feed our earthworms, right? Our earthworms, so they get ready-made food, easy to digest food, and this has been proven to make the bed a bit more fertile than having to wait for a few weeks or months for that to happen. So our compost juice is ready. So we'll now take it to the garden and go feed the plants and the earthworms. So
Shows the consistency.
yeah, so this is how it looks like. It's a uniform blend of everything we had in there. Yeah, this is probably how you want it. Not too watery, not too hard. Just a nice medium consistency.
So this,
So we usually make a hole like this. Can you hold it? We usually make a hole like this, and
Look what I found.
add some compost juice in there, right? Maybe a couple of ladlefuls of compost juice, 2 or 3, right? Based on how big your ladle is. See our earthworms here. Hey guys. And then fill them up, right? Yeah. So we'll do that for almost all of our beds, just a small portion. The reason why I'm digging here and not in a corner is because we are just starting this bed, and we have some free space here, right? That we can dig and add the juice to. Can you hold this one? Yep. So that's food for the earthworms. The reason why we do this is, one, get food for the more quickly digestible or quickly consumable food for the earthworms, right? Rather than just putting a big peel in there, when we blend it, it becomes a bit more easy to consume for the earthworms. The second one is we want these nutrients to be released a bit more easily into the soil, since they are in a not just as the peel, and they are in a mashed up form. Most of the nutrients can be released easily into the soil, and the bacteria can act on it and decompose a bit more. Not as in a big compost pile, but the regular ones.
So we typically do this during summer. For winter, we kind of put that into our compost bin where it takes a time for it to get. It gets time to compost and to be good. But in summer, it doesn't make sense for us to wait for another 6 months to have our compost ready. So see, these are our
Did you know this?
onion here,
I cutted some.
and they are doing good. It seems like our. We'll see. We'll keep you guys posted on the progress that we are making.